Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel. In this video, we are going to solve 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equals to 1 upon a plus b, and we have to find the value of b by a plus a by b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write this by taking the LCM ab. So our numerator becomes b plus a is equals to 1 by a plus b. Now if I'll do cross multiplication, so it becomes a plus b is equals to ab, and we can write it as a plus b whole square is equals to ab. I am considering this as equation number 1. Now we have to find the value of b by a plus a by b. So if I'll take the LCM, so it's ab. Now it's become b square plus a square, or we can write it as a square plus b square by ab. So here we know the very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I'll subtract 2ab from both sides, so a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equals to a square plus b square. So from here, the value of a square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab by ab. Now from equation number 1, the value of a plus b whole square is ab. So we can put here ab minus 2ab by ab, that is minus, if I will break the denominator, ab over ab minus 2ab over ab. So we can write it as 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So the value of expression b by a plus a by b is minus 1. I hope it's clear and you understand it. If you find it useful, so please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.